These are the general keywords used in Python 3.7. There are 33 keywords are there in Python 3.7, and this is actually used for the define all the syntax and structure of the Python language. In Python, keywords are case sensitives, and there are three keywords that is used with uppercase. In the true, T is capital letter, the false, F is capital letter, and the none keyword, N is capital letter. All other keywords are in lower case. All languages, keywords are the special words, or sometimes we call it as reserved words. And almost all keywords are in lowercase except three keywords, true, false and none, all are in lowercase. This is the full list, and I will explain one by one. And is a logical operator, as is used to create an alias. For debugging a set, keyword is used. In the loop and all, to get out of the loop, we use break. So define a class, the class keyword is used. In the loop, to continue the iteration of a loop, we use the keyword continue. To define a function, we use the keyword def. To delete an object, we use the keyword del. In the conditional statements, elif is used, and for the else, we know in almost all languages we use the else, else conditional statement is used. For the exception, we use except keyword, and the boolean, for checking boolean values, the result for the false statements, false is used, false. Here F is a capital letter, as I told earlier. In the exceptions, like Java, finally keyword is used, finally. For is used to create a loop. From is used in the import statement. I explained it in the last video. Global is a keyword that is used to declare a global variable. If is used to in conditional statements, and import is used to import a module. To check a value in the list tuple, we use in keyword. To check whether two variables are equal or not, we use the is or is keyword. To create an anonymous function, we use the lambda keyword. To represent a null value, non is used. Here n is a capital letter. To declare a non-local variable, non-local keyword is used. And not and or both are logical operators. Pass is used as a null statement that will do nothing. Raise is used in exception statements to raise an exception. To exit a function or return a value, return keyword is used. This is like C and C language. To correct or the comparison operator is correct, we use the boolean value true. T is a capital letter here. In exception statement, to make a try keyword is used. To create a while loop, while keyword is used. This is with is a keyword used in exception handling, and yield is used to end a function. So these are the general keywords used in Python. When we learn our lessons, we learn all these keywords thoroughly. Now we will discuss about the identifiers, Python identifiers. As we all know, an identifier is a name that is used to identify entities or things, functions, variables in a programming language, or in other words we can define an identifier as a thing that is used to differentiate between one entity to another. So there are some rules in Python, or how we name an identifier, what are the letters we can use. Identifiers can be a combination of letters in lowercase or uppercase or digits. So small letter A to Z can be used, capital letter A to Z can be used, or any digits can be used with an underscore. So these are the permittable identifiers in Python. The second rule is nothing but it cannot start with a digit. So for example, one ABC is invalid, but ABC1 is a valid name. So we cannot start an identifier with a starting letter as a digit. That means we have to start with an underscore, or we have to start with any of the lowercase or uppercase letter. The third rule is keywords cannot be used as identifiers. I defined all the 33 keywords in Python. We cannot use keywords as to name as a identifiers. The fourth rule is we cannot use special symbols like any of these special letters, not only this five, any special symbols we cannot use in Python. The fifth one is an identifier can be of any length. There is no limit for the length of Python. So these are the 5 rules used in Python language. 26 plus 26 plus 52 plus this 10, 62 and the 63. So these 63 letters can be used to name an identifier in Python. When we name identifiers, note that Python is a case sensitive language. That means capital letter A or any capital letter and the small letter is different. If you name capital letter A, B, C, that is different from small letter A, B, C. So note that it is a case sensitive language. Another thing is when you name a variable, give some meaningful name, and if there are multiple words in an identifier, you separate the words with an underscore, so we can easily identify the meaning of the variable.